Hamming code example. Here is the question. Encoding this binary word 10110 into the even parity Hamming code. If for example this is the question, so how we can solve this by using the Hamming code mean given data is 10110. The step 1 total number of bits in the given data is write down, that is m is equal to 5. In the second step, we need to find the number of redundant bits using the Hamming distance formula, that is 2 to the power of r greater than or equal to m plus r plus 1, where r values are considered from 0 onwards, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So first case, consider the r value as 0, m is equal to 5. So if r is equal to 0, substitute that r and m value in the above equation, that is 2 to the power of 0 greater than or equal to 5 plus 0 plus 1. Here 2 to the power of 0 means 1, 1 greater than or equal to 6. So by observing this, the condition is failed. Then what we'll do, we'll move to the next case. So that is case 2, r is equal to 1, m is equal to 5. So 2 to the power of 1 greater than or equal to m plus 1 plus 1. So here 2 greater than or equal to 7. Again the condition is failed. Then we will need to consider the next case, that is r is equal to 2, m is equal to 5. So 2 to the power of 2 greater than or equal to 5 plus 2 plus 1. So here 2 to the power of 2 means 4 and the right side value is 8. That is 4 greater than or equal to 8, and again the condition is failed. Now again we'll move to the next case, that is r is equal to, so case 4, r is equal to 3, m is equal to 5. So 2 to the power of 3 greater than or equal to 5 plus 3 plus 1. So here 8 greater than or equal to 9. So same condition is failed again. So now move to the next case, that is fifth case, r is equal to 4 and m is equal to 5. So here 16 is greater than or equal to 10. That means the condition satisfies. So we need to consider the total number of redundant bits appended is equal to 4. So in step 3, we need to write down number of bits in the given data, m is equal to 5. Number of redundant bits we need to append, r is equal to 4. Now the total length of the code word, Hamming code word, is equal to m plus r, that is 5 plus 4, that is equal to 9. In step 4, we need to find the position of redundant bits using 2 to the power of n, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on. So here we have 4 redundant bits, that is r1, r2, r4 and r8. So when we place n value as 0, then 2 to the power of 0, that is equal to 1, is used to position the value of r1. So for r2 position, we will put n value is equal to 1, that is 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. Next, if n is equal to 2, that is 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4, fourth position is used for placing the r4 value. Next, n is equal to 3, then 2 to the power of 3 equal to 8. So 8 is used for the position for placing r8, redundant bit 8. So after finding the positions, we just place these redundant values in that corresponding positions. So in our length of code word, we have 9 bits are there. So we need to write down like this, 9 positions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So in the positions of 1, 2, 4 and 8, we need to place the redundant values like this, r1, r2, r4 and r8. So the remaining empty places are filled with d. d is nothing but data. So d is nothing but data bit, and r1, r2, r4 and r8 is the redundant bits. As we given the data value as 10110. So now we need to substitute in place of d the data value. So after substituting the given data, the code word is looking like this: 1 R8 0 1 1 R4 0 R2 and R1. Here the data values are known, but we need to find the R1 value, R2 value, R4 and R8 value. So how we will find this redundant bit values mean? By using the even parity concept. So in step 6, to determine the parity or redundant bits by using the even parity. So for even parity, for finding the even parity, we need to find the positions of R1, R2, R4 and R8. That means which positions need to consider to find the even parity. For that, we need to write down a table like this. So this is the table: R1, R2, R4 and R8. So we have 9 positions are there. So in that 9 positions, we need to write down the binary values 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Like that up to 9 we need to write the values. Now in the corresponding column we need to consider only ones. So discard 0 values, consider 1 values in a particular position. So if you consider the R1, where the 1 is located, mean the positions of ones are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So we need to consider that positions. So to find R1 value, considering the positions 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now replace the position values with data according to the code word. So even parity of R1. So in first position we have R1 value, in third position we have 0, in fifth position the bit value is 1, in sixth position the bit value is 1. So we need to consider 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So according to that positions the values are R1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So now we need to find the value of R1. R1 is here considered as the parity bit. So data along parity bit is there. By using the concept of even parity, the data along with the parity bit consisting of even number of ones. So here the parity bit is R1 and the data is 0, 1, 0, 1. So by considering this complete thing, the total number of ones is already even. So the possibility of R1 is 0. So the value of R1 is now 0. So like that we need to find the R2 value. From the table we need to consider only ones, and where that one is located we need to consider that positions. So for R2 the positions are 2, 3, 6 and 7. So from the code word the position values, in second position the value is R2, in third position the value is 3, in sixth position the value is 1 and in the seventh position the value is 0. So now by applying the even parity the R2 value is 1. From the table for R4 we need to consider the positions 4, 5, 6 and 7. So according to the code word the position values are R4, 1, 1, 0. So by considering the even parity the possible value for R4 is 0. So like that for R8 we need to consider the positions. For R8 we need to consider the positions 8 and 9. So from the code word the positional values are R8 and 1. So already only 1 is there. To make it an even parity the possible value for R8 is 1. So now the substitute the values of R1, R2, R4 and R8 in the above code word. So R1 value is 0, R2 value is 1, R4 is equal to 0, R8 is equal to 1. We need to substitute these values in above code word. So after substituting we get the code word of 9-bit position is 110 110010. So this will be the data sent by the sender to the receiver through a transmission channel. Clear? Now if the data is correctly sent to the Now the data with redundant bits is transmitted. This is the complete process in sender side. Now at the receiver side, how it will detect the data and how it will correct the data. For example, if the data is received by the receiver with a single bit error, then how it will detect it. So here is the concept. So at receiver side, if the data is received with error, for example, let us assume the even parity Hamming code. So the above Hamming code, that is 110110010 is transmitted and received, and the received code is 110111010. See, the sending code is different from the receiver code. Here one bit, where one bit at fourth position the bit is changed. In sending code, the fourth bit is 0, but at the receiver's code, the fourth bit is 1. Now from the receiver code, let us detect and correct the error. So how we will correct it? Mean, to detect and correct the errors, let us construct the bit location table. So in step 1, we need to write down the bit location table. So bit location, bit designation is nothing but the values, and received code, what is the receiver code. So bit location, so totally we have 9 number of bits are there. So we need to write the bit locations 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now bit designations, so what are the designations? We need to place the redundant values in the power of 2's. So R1, R2, R4 and R8 is placed in positions 1, 2, 4 and 8. So the remaining values are placed with D. Now received code, what is the received code? So the received code is written here 110111010. Now by using the check parity conditions, we will find any error is occurred or not. So for that we will write like this. So in step 2, check the parity bits by using F. For R1, consider the positions 1, 3, 5, 7. So from the code word received, the position values are 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So if it is already even parity, then we will place the value as 0. Next, coming to the R2, consider the positions 2, 3, 6, 7. So here from the code word, the values are 1, 0, 1, 0. And even parity value equal to 0. So now for R4, consider 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 1, 0, this is the code word position values. Now the even parity is 1. And for R8, consider 8 and 9 position. So 1, 1. So the even parity is 0. From the code even parities, from bottom to top, we will consider the values as 0, 1, 0, 0. So 0, 1, 0, 0. That is nothing but bit location 4. That means from the resultant binary word, the bit location 4 is errored. That means the error is detected in the redundant bit R4. So what is the redundant bit position in R4? So in redundant bit position R4, the value is 1. So the value 1 is now replaced with 0. So after replacing, we will get the value as the code word is 110110010. So that is the correct data which is sent by the sender. So thank you.